Excavator.
An excavator is like a big robot arm. It can dig deep holes and scoop up dirt or rocks. It's used a lot on construction sites to make space for buildings or roads.
Haul truck.
This truck is gigantic. It carries huge loads of rocks and dirt from one place to another. You'll usually find it in mines or big construction sites.
Mixer truck.
This is the truck with the spinning drum on its back. It mixes cement to build roads, houses, and tall skyscrapers. The drum turns to keep the cement wet and ready to pour.
Mobile crane.
A mobile crane has a long arm that can lift super heavy stuff, like big steel beams or containers. It moves from place to place, helping build tall buildings.
Power shovel.
A power shovel is like a giant scooper. It digs deep into the ground to move dirt, rocks, or even snow. It's super strong and can handle really tough jobs.
Trailer truck.
This truck is super long and has a big trailer at the back. It carries everything from food to furniture across long distances. It's what you see on highways a lot.
Tanker truck.
A tanker truck carries liquids like fuel, milk, or water. The tank on its back is shaped like a big cylinder to hold the liquids safely.
Double drum roller.
This vehicle has two big metal drums instead of wheels. It rolls over the road to make it flat and smooth. It's like ironing the ground.
Wheel loader.
A wheel loader has a big scoop on the front. It's used to pick up sand, rocks, or dirt and move them around. It's super handy on construction sites.
Wheel excavator.
A wheel excavator is just like an excavator, but instead of tracks, it has wheels. It can move faster and is perfect for jobs on solid ground.
Double trailer truck.
This is a super long truck with not one, but TWO trailers. It can carry twice as much stuff, like packages or goods for stores.
Hummer.
A Hummer is a tough and cool-looking car. It's great for driving off-road and can handle bumpy, rocky paths easily.
Jimny.
Jimny cars are small, fun, and perfect for little adventures. They're great for exploring nature or cruising around the city.
City bus.
City buses are big and carry lots of people around town. They're great for helping people get to school, work, or anywhere they want to go.
Logging truck.
This truck carries giant logs from the forest to factories. It has a long bed and special chains to hold the logs in place.
Crawler crane.
A crawler crane is a crane on tracks. The tracks help it move on rough or soft ground, and it can lift really heavy stuff up high.